前は。いや、なんでもない。つうかもっと早く歩け。せっかく温まったのに冷えちまう。
苦しゅうない。わらわに構わずとも。
They found a herd of whales somewhere off the coast of India, and they were singing songs no one's heard before. The songs were keeping them together, knowing where each other was in the darkness of the deep blue sea. Now tell me that's not love. Misunderstood leviathans out there in the blue, singing sweet songs to each other. It makes me think of you and how we got our own thing going. No one knows it like we do, so we keep singing to each other, singing our own tune. Yeah, we keep singing to each other, singing, baby, I love you. Someone somewhere said that they could understand these songs, that they could translate them into nearly the same language as ours, and we'd finally know what these whale songs really mean. But honestly, I think the magic is the mystery.